everybody. Good morning. Happy Thursday. We've made it almost through another week. Yay. And this morning, I'm here to talk to you about some wonderful natural insect repellents. So I kind of named it Bugs Be Gone because it's like, I don't know about where you guys are, but where we are, the bugs are kind of starting, the mosquitoes are kind of starting, the biting flies, the irritating flying insects are coming out, and it's just going to progress from here, as we know, because it's summer. So I've actually prepared a small, just a really quick slideshow for you, because I thought if you wanted to take screenshots, you're welcome to do so. So I'm just going to share right now. So we know that, well, some of you would probably know that, that doTERRA already has a wonderful outdoor blend called TerraShield, and it works really, really well. So there's Lang Lang, Nootka, cedarwood, catnip, lemon eucalyptus, Leetzia arborvitae, and some vanilla with fractionated coconut oil. So it's really nice. It's a little oily, so it is nice if you put it on your skin. You can use it neat and just put it on your skin. But I don't know about you guys, sometimes I find that I want to spray my clothes in like my back too, because if you're wearing a light t-shirt, sometimes the insects can still bite through that. So I have some ideas for this aside. Now, I want you to take note. This TerraShield bottle is 30 milliliters. That's about an ounce. So I'm going to show you some other recipes that you can do and reuse these bottles as well. So I do like the bottle, the TerraShield bottle. Sometimes I do just have it, and like I said, use it on my legs or my arms if things aren't too bad. It's fine. Now, the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine found that lemon eucalyptus offers us 97% outdoor protection for 4 hours. And lemon eucalyptus is just a kind of plant. Citronella is a kind of plant. You guys probably know, some of you might have even purchased citronella from, there's citronella candles. I think that's one of those, we know that it helps to repel biting insects. Now, this is a 1 ounce bottle. So if you reuse this bottle and you want to make this recipe, you use 15 to 20 drops each of the lemon eucalyptus and citronella and fill the rest with witch hazel, which in and of itself has its own medicinal benefits. Did you know that witch hazel is actually a bush? It's like a shrub. It has yellow flowers. So this is also an extract from a plant. How wonderful is this? And it's really good for the skin. It actually can help soothe minor cuts and scrapes and itches. I mean, there's a gob of uses. If you look it up, it can help with pain, inflammation, minor burns, sensitive scalp, other skin irritations. It can actually slow down or stop bleeding, and great for insect bites. So it has the chemical component of witch hazel is it has a lot of tannins. And when those go right to the skin, it can help with the swelling of broken skin, fight bacteria, etc. So it's good for your skin as well, and it's all natural, and it's really inexpensive. It's easy to find. I think I got this at the grocery store, or you can find it all over. So you could do that. Now, I made a mistake. I have these larger 2 ounce bottles, which I like, and so all you have to do is just remember to double the recipe. You could even do, TerraShield comes in a drip as well. So I actually did in one of our recipes, I did 15 drops each of lemon eucalyptus, citronella, and the TerraShield blend, and then topped off with witch hazel in this bottle. Again, if you're making a larger bottle, just adjust the recipe. Here's another bug repellent recipe. This was before doTERRA came out with the citronella and lemon eucalyptus. Now, arborvitae is known to help with insects because where that is sourced in Canada, they have fallen arborvitae trees in the forests that have been there for 100 years and have no insect damage. So we know that just by nature showing us that it works against insects. Cedarwood also works. Lavender is great. It's also soothing for the skin. Eucalyptus. I have actually just used lemongrass in a pinch if I've only had lemongrass in my purse. And even lemongrass by itself will help. So any one of these alone can help, but together they are really great. Now this one says, you know, divide the tear shield into 2 spray containers. I mean, I don't know, but just know that all of these oils have benefits against biting insects. Now, here's a pretty thing you can do as well. You can, you know, make your spray it on you, but if you want something nice to have on the table, you're going to be outside for a while. This is really cute. It's easy. Most of us have a candy and quart jar laying around or some kind of a jar that's about that size. So you could add fresh sliced lemon and lime, fresh basil stem. I don't know about you guys, but we've got basil in our growing in a pot outside. And then you fill the jar with water and 20 drops of citronella oil. Again, you could add any of the other oils I was talking about, and you tap with a floating candle, and it looks so great. And it's going to emit those oils. It's going to keep those insects at bay. Here's the last thing I thought about. This is a diffuser blend. Now, again, you could add peppermint to your sprayer, but what if you're like camping in a tent, or you have like a pop-up or something, you're going to be like kind of in and out in an outdoor space or a cabin maybe where the bugs can get in. You can take your diffuser, like this is a Pilot, you can just charge it, or you could plug it in. But some of these are battery operated and they last a long time. So you can use a diffuser blend, like, you know, 2 drops each of peppermint, citronella, and lemon eucalyptus, and keep the bugs out of your space if you're in like sort of a semi outdoor space. So that is just a few ideas. Here, let me stop the share. There we go. So those are a few ideas. Now, if you also if we do get bit, and sometimes that happens, if we forget to put our stuff on, or if it's been after 4 hours and we didn't bring any more, lavender is huge to soothe insect bites. Peppermint can, the witch hazel, as I had mentioned before, you know, look it up. That also helps. So maybe use a cotton ball with some witch hazel, put a drop of lavender and rub it on the skin. So it's super safe for all the members of your family. Oh, and you know what I read? I just read this morning. The witch hazel gets ticks off. And I heard it's going to be really bad tick season for our furry friends. The ticks do not like witch hazel. So I think it's something that good if you're going to be out and about, throw it in the car, throw it in your backpack. You can, you know, put it in a smaller bottle if you don't want to take this big bottle, you know, put it in something else, and just so you have some with you, and it could really save the day, right? And of course, you can use a little bit of the tear shield and the spray on your pets. You know, I spray some on my hand, rub my hands together, and I mostly get my dog's legs and his tummy. So the inside, outside legs and tummy. You could also, you know, do it on their back too, but it's really great for our pets too. So I would use one of the dilutions, like something with the witch hazel in it. So it's a little more watery for them, but it's safe for everybody. So I hope that helps you guys. I hope the bugs aren't too bad this year. And I hope that you like these tips. So if you have any questions or you have ideas and things that have helped you outside, please share. We want to know. Next week is already July 1st. I can't even, I don't know what's going on. It seems like the summer always flies. So next Thursday, we're going to be talking about what is new for July. We never know until doTERRA lets us know the first day of the month. So we're going to clue you in. So be sure to join us live. I hope you have a great day and a fabulous weekend, and we'll see y'all soon.